Atomy is a multi-level marketing (MLM) company that offers a range of products, including health supplements, cosmetics, personal care and household goods. The company operates an online shopping mall where individuals can purchase products and also become distributors to earn income. The claim of earning 1,300 rupees to 4,000 rupees daily through Atomy is likely tied to their MLM business model, where you earn commissions by selling products and recruiting others to join the network. Here's how it works. 1. Become an Atomy distributor. To start earning, you need to sign up as an Atomy distributor. It's free of cost. Need sponsor distributor number, ID. For sponsor it, call Diamond Master Vasu Pamidi on mobile number 9505320666. Once registered, you gain access to Atomy's online shopping mall and can start use or selling their products. 2. Earn through product sales. You earn a commission by using or selling Atomy products. The commission percentage depends on the product and your distributor level. Atomy promotes its products as high quality and affordable price, which attracting more customers. 3. Build a downline team. Recruitment. The primary way to increase your earnings in MLM is by recruiting others to join Atomy as distributors. These recruits become part of your downline. You earn commissions not only from your own use or sales but also from the sales made by your downline. This is where the potential for higher earnings, like 1,300 rupees to 4,000 rupees daily, comes into play. 4. Bonuses and incentives. Atomy offers various bonuses and incentives for high-performing distributors, such as daily matching income, general commission, team bonuses, mastership bonus, per every 15 days, and global profit sharing. These bonuses can significantly increase your earnings if you build a large and active downline. 5. Realistic expectations. While the claim of earning 1,300 rupees to 4,000 rupees daily is possible, it is not guaranteed and depends on your efforts, sales skills, and ability to recruit and train a downline. Most people in MLMs earn modest incomes, and only a small percentage of top-tier distributors achieve high earnings. Pros of Atomy. Low startup cost compared to traditional businesses. Just change your shopping habit to Atomy. Flexible work from home opportunity. Use Atomy products and share your experience with others. Access to a range of products that you can use personally. Cons of Atomy. MLM income is highly variable and not guaranteed. Success often depends on recruiting others, which can be challenging. Some people may view MLMs negatively due to the emphasis on recruitment. Is it legit? Atomy is a legitimate company with a presence in 58 countries. However, like any MLM, success requires significant effort, time, and networking skills. Be cautious of exaggerated income claims and ensure you understand the business model before investing time or money. If you're considering joining Atomy, research thoroughly, set realistic expectations, and be prepared to work hard to build your network and sales. For more details, call or WhatsApp Diamond Master and Atomy Authorized Education Center leader Vasu Pamidi on his mobile number 9505320666 or visit his YouTube channel Vasu Pamidi.